What are Nadex binary options and event contracts? Let's take the mystery out of these products. Very simply, binary options are a prediction market. Each contract is set up as a straightforward yes or no question, where ultimately only one of two outcomes can occur. Either the prediction is true, or the prediction is false. That's why they're called binary options. Binary options are an exciting and powerful way for retail traders to access short-term price action in the markets with clearly defined risk. Each contract is made up of three components: an underlying market, such as the S&P 500, gold, oil, or the Euro-US dollar, a condition, also referred to as the strike price, and a time to expiration, whether it's the next 5 minutes, or the end of the day, or the end of the week. As an example, a binary option could be, will the S&P 500 finish higher than 4670 in the next 20 minutes? If it finishes higher than 4670, the prediction is true. If it doesn't, then the prediction is false. You can either buy a binary option if you think it will settle above the strike price, or sell a binary option if you think it won't. The price of a binary option trades between 0 and 100 and will ultimately settle either at 100 if the prediction is true, or 0 if the prediction is false. Essentially, the price reflects the probability of the event being true as determined by the marketplace at that time. So, suppose a binary option is trading at 25. In that case, the marketplace is predicting a 25% probability at that moment in time that the prediction will ultimately be true and the contract will settle at 100. It also means that the marketplace is predicting a 75% probability at that moment in time that the prediction will ultimately be false and the contract will settle at 0. Since Nadex binary options have a total value of $100 per contract, the price of a binary option also represents the dollar value of the trade. On a Nadex order ticket, we make these concepts of binary options easy to understand. We calculate the probability of a contract finishing in the money, whether you're buying and predicting the outcome will be true, or selling and predicting the outcome will be false. We also clearly display the maximum potential profit or loss of a trade, again, whether buying or selling. So you know exactly what you could potentially make or lose before you enter a trade. An important note when trading binary options: just because there's an expiration associated with the contract does not mean you need to wait until then to see what happens. You can choose to exit a position early to either lock in partial profits or limit losses if you want. Nadex binary options can be a great way to access short-term price action with defined risk, so you can participate in the markets without having to risk it all.